Hello everybody, it's Maria Furtek here from Maria Furtek Hypnotherapy Training and Coaching. And today I'd like to just have a few words or have a chat to you about what it's like when you feel like you're going around in circles, either in your life or in your business, or you feel stuck, or you feel like you're working really hard either in your business or even in your life day to day, but you feel like you're lacking direction about where you're going. You don't have a clear focus about where you're heading, in your day-to-day life, the bigger picture, if you like. So obviously that can be incredibly frustrating, and it's something I've suffered with in the past myself. Feel like I'm going around in circles and not getting very far, and it's something I see a lot with the clients that I work with, both in their businesses and the clients that come to see me for therapy. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to invite you, if you are in this category of feeling like you're stuck or going around in circles, to come and join me on a half-day workshop on the 27th of March, which is being held at the lovely venue of All Things Nice in Youghal Village. And this half-day workshop is going to be a vision board workshop where we're going to dream it, create it, and learn how to make things happen. So in this workshop, you're going to be receiving creative coaching and facilitation from myself, with lots of years experience of running workshops and really helping people to connect into what's really important to them in their own hearts, not what everyone else thinks we should do or what we think we should be doing, but what's really important to us in our own hearts. So I call it connecting to the whispers of your soul, so that you'll get really clear focus, real clarity about your direction in life and or in business. So we'll be focusing on several areas of your life. This will be really creative, really inspiring and really motivational. I ran 3 similar workshops last year. They were the same but different. We covered a lot of the neuroscience last year, the credibility as to why vision boarding works. At the end of this workshop, you'll come away with a really beautiful, your own really beautiful vision board that will be a really amazing compass to help you focus and take action towards achieving your goals and dreams, and to feel like you've got a really clear direction about where you're heading and what you want to achieve. Now, vision boarding is actually a really credible business and life coaching tool. It's not just about sticking a few pictures on a piece of paper. It's far deeper and far more effective than that. So people like Richard Branson, Oprah Winfrey, and even the late Walt Disney use this type of vision boarding technique to help them really achieve the success that they wanted in their lives. So I'd really love for you to come along and join me. It's really affordable. The early bird offer until the 8th of March is only £30. You're very welcome to stay on after the end of the workshop to have lunch at All Things Nice. They're offering a 10% discount to all my workshop participants. And of course, that'll give you the chance to network and find out about other people and share about yourself too. So the workshop runs from 9:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. So it's during school hours. If you're interested, then please get in contact with me. You can email me at mfurtek@blueyonder.co.uk or give me a call on 0208 395 5471. Places are limited because there's only a certain amount of space at All Things Nice in the room that I'm using. We have had bookings already. This only was released yesterday. So I think there's 5 spaces left today. So I'd love to see you there. If you want to get clarity and direction and feel really focused for the year ahead, and to do this in a really creative, fun and inspiring way. Lovely chatting to you. It's Maria Furtek from Maria Furtek Hypnotherapy Training and Coaching.